I'm going to show you how to remove the back cover and main board out of this Sony TV with model number XBR-55X850D. The first thing we want to do is lay the TV screen facing down on the table. We're going to start by removing the stand screws first. We have 4 of those. Now we can remove the stand. Next we'll remove the perimeter screws. Now these are a little bit different, so we'll keep them separated. These 3 are plastic screws. And finally our wall mount screws. Now on this TV specifically, we are missing 2 of them, but we do have smaller screws right here. And that should be all of them. Now we can go ahead and lift the back cover from the bottom. However, it is still attached at the top, so we're going to push it upwards. I'm going to give it a couple hits. Slides up, and then we can remove it. Now we're going to move on to the main board. We're going to start by removing the shroud and then our cables. So for this large one, we're going to press on the center clip and wiggle it out. For these LVDS ribbons, we have a little clip right here. So this is the cream colored lash we're going to be pressing down on. And once it's engaged, we can gently wiggle out the ribbon. And we'll do the same with this one over here. Just like that. For this next one, we're going to need to pinch these 2 sides. And I'm going to use the wires to slightly, gently wiggle it out at the same time. This one has a little latch at the top. Same with the audio over here. And that's all of our cables and connectors. We can now start unscrewing it. And the main board should lift right off. If you're interested in finding out exactly how we fix these main boards, you can check out this video next. Otherwise, if you found the content helpful or useful, make sure to leave us a like, subscribe for more content, and thank you for watching.